Hey y'all, Jim Pankey here. I had a request for this one, and honestly, I thought I'd already done it, but evidently I haven't. It's a popular tune. A lot of folks are going to ask you for it. It's "Man of Constant Sorrow." It was pretty popular a few years back, almost 17 years ago, in the movie "Oh Brother, Where Art Thou?" I learned it even way before that from the Stanley Brothers recordings. And so I'm just going to give you a basic run through of it. I do it out of the key of G, so standard tuning. And it's going to be a whole lot of forward rolls. So just follow along. It's short. It does one little thing and then it just does it again. And you'll be able to play it. All right, so we're going to start just the... That's our lead in, 4-3-2, 4-3-2. And you can hammer or slide. We're going to slide from 2 to 3 on the second string, and it's going to be a forward roll. It's 2-1-5, 2-1-5, 2-1-5, 2-1-5. It's just a lot of forward rolls. So 2-1-5, 2-1-5, 2-1-5, 2-1-5. And then you're going to play a single note. That's your C note, second string, first fret. And then you're going to play the third string at the third fret, and you're going to bend it. You're just going to pull it. And you hit your third string open. 5-3-1, 5-3-1, 5-3-1, 5. So it's all forward roll. So here's what you got. And then you're going to do that bend again. And then 1. And then get a C chord, forward roll, 2-1-5, 2-1-5, 2-1-5, 2-1-5. And then open second string. And then second string back down at the first fret. So, and then you're going to slide this up to a D. You don't have to hold the whole D. You just take that partial C and you slide it up to the D. Or a forward roll. And then we're going to do a forward and reverse. 5, 2, 1, 5, 1, 2. Index is here. First fret. And then we're going to do a little bend. 3, 1, 3. So. So 2, 1, 5, 2, 1, 5, 2, 1. Forward and reverse. And then we need a tag on the end, so we're just going to put your index finger down. And this is a similar tag that we've done, but we're going to do it at the third fret. 1, 2. And we're going to bend. 3, 1, 3. So here's what you've got. And so you got all that. Now, I'll do it a little more. Fortunately, it's not a fast song. It's so just medium tempo. So here we go. So there you go. Man of Constant Sorrow. Be sure to subscribe. Check out the links here, there, wherever I happen to stick them. And we'll see you next time.